Hello everyone, welcome back to Cool Product. In today's video, we're exploring the best smart wireless meat thermometer on the market. I'll be taking an in-depth look at the Chef IQ CQ60 smart wireless meat thermometer and why it's a game changer. Let's get started. Product features: triple probe cooking. Monitor up to 3 different foods at the same time using 3 separate probes, each with its own temperature and timer. Perfect for multitasking meals and large gatherings. Unlimited wireless range. Track your cooking progress from anywhere without distance limits. Walk around, relax, or entertain guests while staying fully connected through the smart app. Quad sensor accuracy. Each probe uses 3 internal sensors plus 1 ambient sensor, delivering precise temperature readings from every angle for consistently perfect cooking results. Smart alerts and app control. Get real-time alerts for temperature changes, flip reminders, resting time, and estimated finish time via the app and the charging hub's audible notifications. Fast charging, long battery life. Enjoy over 40 hours of cooking time with just a 10-minute charge. Even a 1-minute quick charge gives hours of use, ideal for spontaneous cooking sessions. Extreme heat resistance. Safe for temperatures up to 752 degrees Fahrenheit, making it perfect for grills, ovens, air fryers, smokers, rotisserie setups, sous vide cooking, and deep frying. Thin, waterproof, and easy to clean. Ultra-thin probes keep meat juicy while being fully waterproof and dishwasher safe, ensuring easy cleanup and long-lasting durability after every use. Pros: accurate temperature tracking, truly wireless freedom, fast charging, multi-food monitoring, and wide cooking compatibility make this thermometer extremely convenient and reliable. Cons: the advanced features may feel overwhelming for complete beginners, and app usage is required to unlock its full potential. Final thoughts: if you want precision, freedom, and confidence in every cook, the Chef IQ CQ60 Smart Wireless Meat Thermometer is a powerful upgrade for any kitchen or backyard setup. Stop guessing and start cooking smarter today. Check the price link in the description, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Cool Product for more amazing product videos.